In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shapefile in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and you want to click on Open. Then you want to find your shapefile that you want to add. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to click on this folder. And before you actually do this, what you have to do is filter to where it's actually showing the correct files. Because by default, as you can see, there's no files in here, even though I do have shapefiles in this folder. So you have to go over here and change it from Google Earth to this one, which is going to be the Esri. So where is it? It's over here, esrishape.sshp. So click on that, and then as you can see, it's going to give you, of course, all of them that you need. Click on them, of course, the one that you want, and click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, you can then, of course, import them if you wanna. I'm going to click on Import Sample, and there we go. I'm going to click on Yes, and there we go. As you can see, this is going to be your style template settings. You can change the name, color, icon, height, everything over here. I'm just going to hit the OK button, and as you can see, it's now going to allow me to basically save this. I'm going to save it like that, and there we go. It's basically imported the shapefile, and now it's going to take me directly to my shapefile just like this. Okay, so that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.